In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to place text on your video for a title, a name, a caption, or any other on-screen message, DaVinci Resolve makes the process very simple. Once you know where to find the text tools and how to adjust the settings, you can create clean and professional-looking text in just a moment. To begin, go to the top left area of the interface and look for the Titles section. This is where DaVinci Resolve stores different text options and title templates that you can use in your project. When you click on it, you'll see a variety of templates available. These can range from very simple text styles to more designed title presets, so you can pick the one that best fits the look of your video. Take a moment to browse through the available options and choose whichever template you want to use. If you're creating something straightforward, a basic text title is usually a great place to start. If you want something more stylized, you can select one of the more animated or designed templates instead. Once you've chosen your text template, click on it and drag it directly onto your timeline. Place it wherever you want the text to appear in your video. This is important because the position of the title on the timeline controls when the text shows up during playback. If needed, you can also adjust the length of the title clip later to make the text stay on screen for more or less time. After the title is on your timeline, look over to the right side of the screen. This is where you'll find the text settings. In this panel, you can customize the text itself by typing in the words you want to display. You can also change the font, adjust the color, increase or decrease the size, and fine-tune other appearance settings to match your project. This is the part where you can make the text feel more personal and polished. For example, choose a font that is easy to read, make sure the color stands out against your background, and use a size that's clearly visible without overwhelming the video. And that's it. That's how you add text in DaVinci Resolve. Once you've placed your title on the timeline and adjusted the settings on the right side, your text is ready to go.